The Supper Club needs some produce, so we order it from down the street. And our man brings in his Fordson Major number 72 Lesney tractor. Beauty. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Kiss the cow and call it milk time. Look what the farmer brought out today. It is a Fordson Major by Lesney. This thing is old, and I have never seen him pull this out of the barn before and bring it to the Supper Club. This one is a little bit dirty, but look at those red wheels, gray tires. I love this. Look at that name written right on the side of that tractor. The grill is painted on. It's no sticker. We got a straight edge axle on that baby. Whoa, look at that. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's got a little dirt on it, but it is old, I bet. We've got number 72 on this beauty. And Lesney, made in England. Oh, I'm loving the beauty on this. The color, the red wheels, beautifully done. The steering wheel with a lot of detail not filled in. And that seat looks like a good old cast iron farm tractor seat. Boy, oh boy, were we lucky to see this one pull into the Supper Club tonight. Thanks, Farmer Jack, for bringing it in. Hey, look at our tractor in the Hot Wheels Service Center set. This is a killer Matchbox, but this is a Hot Wheels set. And I know Matchbox didn't have the wheels that Hot Wheels did, but look at this baby roll. Oh, he's not rolling. But still very cool. Driving into the L service tires. And there's even a bell. Look at this service center. He can get gas. And even George's radiator and boil out service. And he can drive over here to the car wash and get a car wash and go through the washer. This is one cool set and an even cooler tractor. Oh no, he picked up a weed! Oh, must have been rolling through someone's hair. Picked up a fuzzball of all fuzzballs. Look at this tractor. Drive him up the ramp. To the second level. There's all sorts of things here. Look at that. It's the test center. The dynometer. He's gonna spin his tires on there and see how great his car is. And then over to the transmission center where they're working on an old Corvette in the shop. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Very cool. Hey, this tractor's still a pretty good roller. Let me show you. Not as good as a Hot Wheel, but he still can get going pretty fast if you're going across that kitchen floor, bedroom floor, down the hallway. Or those tracks that you'd make out of those big building blocks. I'm digging this one. Simple, beautiful, but one you rarely see this one. I'm liking this a lot. Look at our tractor pulling into the town, into the Hot Wheels city. He's going to get a hamburger at the hamburger joint. Look at all those groovy people there. Right next to the fire station, I bet they eat a lot of hamburgers. Got some parking lots. A ramp going up to the upper level of the city. You got the police station on the top level, and you got some speed there, speedways and speed signs. Ho ho. There's even a place where the police pull out and get you for speeding. Well, this tractor I think is done in town here, so we're gonna drive him right out of town. Back to the farm where all his friends are. Here's a little video on showing you the different sizes of these tractors. It's pretty sweet. It gives you a good idea from large to small. I really like these tractors, and I hope you do too. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!